What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Swami539. We are back. We have something rather special today. The next few videos, about the next 3 to 4, maybe even 5 videos, we are going to do many different types of videos regarding the iPad and the iPad mini. Just a quick overview. This is an iPad mini 6, and this is going to be an unboxing video. We're going to do some reviews. I also have the 2nd generation pencil. We're going to do unboxing and reviews on that, as well as the Smart Folio case, and we're even going to compare it to the 1st generation iPad mini, which I also have. And I'm also going to come up with a little buying guide to kind of help you on your iPad purchase. This is just the unboxing part of the video right now, so let's get right into this thing. Now, just some quick overview. Obviously, if you had any of the other iPad minis, 5th gen or lower, you'll know that this is an all new design. All new cameras, USB-C, you have the A15 processor. I mean, this thing is all new from the ground up, including 2nd generation support with the Apple Pencil. So let's get right into this unboxing. Also going to just put a little protective mouse pad here, but I'm also going to show you this for size. For some people who don't know how big the iPad mini is, and maybe they can't get to an Apple store because they don't have one or there's not a lot in stores, this is just a normal Razer mouse pad. Like a normal Razer mouse pad you can get for like $12. And the iPad is smaller than the mouse pad. Now we are going to have, although granted, a full review of it and comparison, but let's get right into this unboxing. You can see here too, they have iPad mini on the side everywhere. Oh wow. So while it is a smooth feeling, I thought the tape part there would be a little bit smoother to unbox, but you know what? It's okay. Now, just another little bit of an overview. So the reason I bought an iPad mini, I am a student, and I'll be honest with you, while the current iPad or the 9th generation standard iPad, the 9.7 inch, could have done exactly what I needed it to do, I wanted something that was future proof with a little bit more power, and honestly, while yes, part of the iPad experience is a huge kind of, like device, I honestly prefer the iPad mini. I prefer that size better. Complements, my other devices like my iPhone 13 mini and all that better. And it's just much more portable. Now, I also am going to tell you guys right now, which we will do a complete buying guide as well. This one I did personally order from Apple. I had it engraved. Whether you order it from Apple or Best Buy, try to know which one you want, because let me tell you something, it is hard to find these things. And as of right now, if you go on Apple right now and you decide to order an iPad mini and you decide to engrave it, you're looking at minimum, and it'll tell you on the website for my area, which is in the United States in Florida, you're looking at a 5 to 6 minimum shipping time. And mine actually came late, so these are very desirable items. And just a little bit more of a brief overview. So I ordered a space gray 256 gigabyte. It is a Wi-Fi only. I didn't do the cellular. I know for some people it's useful, some it's not. Here we have the iPad. It's super lightweight. The color and everything is great on it. I know some people are like on the other colors, they are looking at it and it looks off to them. The space gray on here looks great. Pencil's gonna go on the side. You've got your Touch ID up here. All the ports are up here because the magnetic holder for the pencil is there. But we're gonna place the iPad on the pad there. Another thing on the iPad, obviously you get your usual, your Apple kind of, your logos and stuff and your stickers and everything. You get your stickers and all that in there. Unlike the iPhone, this is USB-C, and you get a power adapter. You get a 20-watt power adapter. Some people say it's not fast enough. I think 20 watts is fine. you can always, you know, buy another adapter. But that is one of the other things that drew me to this iPad as a Windows user and a MacBook user, with, you know, almost most of my devices being USB-C now. This connector was just, this is just so much better, and it was a no-brainer. So here we have that there. We can take off the wrapping. And again, I mean, you hold this iPad, it feels, you know, like that, you know, kind of Apple, that real quality feel, but it really doesn't feel heavy. And that's, again, another thing that drew me. I didn't really need the larger models. And it kind of puts you in a weird situation, because if you need something of this size with this much power, this is a work, you know, for the size this is a really powerful machine. It really leaves you only with one option. And you can see here, this is the iPad itself. You can already see there too, it's already, you know, that space gray. It does wipe out very, very easily, but obviously, like many of these devices, it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, which is okay. You can wipe it off, but I also recommend getting the case. And that's the unboxing for the iPad mini 6. We're gonna move into the review, and, you know, kind of comparison between other iPads and the original iPad mini. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming. But that is the iPad mini 6 unboxing. Super, super, super simple. iPad mini 6, power adapter, cable, Apple branding, stickers, and that's all there is to that unboxing. So stay tuned if you want to see more on the iPad mini 6 reviews, comparison. We've also got the Apple Pencil 2nd generation and the Smart Folio case. And just before we end it though, so I did engrave my iPad at the top here, and it doesn't happen very often. You can see it there. It doesn't happen very often, but it came out perfectly. I've seen some people say, oh, the engraving didn't come out right and all that. For mine, it came out exactly how I wanted to. You can do emojis and all that. I decided not to do it, but that's how it'll look. So if there's anybody thinking about ordering an iPad, but they're scared on how the engraving will look, that's how it looks there firsthand, and it looks awesome. So let's get into the next part of this video, the comparison and all that. Stay tuned, everybody.